Welcome again to eBay's Auto, and in this video we are about to update the PF22 foam cannon from MTM Hydro, right? So this is one of my favorites foam cannons because this is one of the best made. I mean, the quality is exceptional. I bought this cannon like in 2018, right? And this one maybe in 2019, okay? So you can see this has a 1/4 of a mil plug, and this has the Karcher quick connector, right? Okay, so but this time now to give it a face update, right? So basically everything I've got here on the table is just to make it up to date. So I will explain and you will see how I do it, but basically the main objective of this video, the main purpose, is we are about to change the bottle. So this bottle is called the PF22.2, right, version. Apart from the bottle itself, okay, then I bought, like a couple of years ago in 2020, I bought these connectors, these quick connectors from Garage. So basically this quick connector goes here, okay, it also has a cap, there, okay, you will see that later, and this piece over here comes here, okay, so you will see how I do it. Okay, by the way, I link in the description of this video all the links to this product, so don't be worried about it, okay? Apart from the bottle and the quick connector from Garage, what also I'm gonna change? I'm gonna change, you see, this rusty bolt here, I'm gonna put some stainless steel, okay, once. This connector from Osmatic is nothing but just to show you how this works perfectly. So you see these plugs from a 1/4 of a mil plug. In this case this is Mosmatic, and you can tell that it's Mosmatic because it uses a 17mm range. Others like MTM, I think they are 15mm, and others like thin ones, even less than 15mm, okay? But you see, after several years it's a little bit rusty over here on the Teflon tape, okay? I'm gonna clean that. This one contains an orifice, 1.1 orifice, as opposed to this one, which is 1.4, I believe. Alright, but also I'm gonna install a different connector. You see, lately I bought a professional Karcher machine from the professional line, okay, and this type of professional Karcher machine comes with these professional guns, okay. So in order to connect a quick connect from Karcher, like this one, which it is an easy lock connector, I will need to adapt a 1/4 of an inch thread there to this one, right? So here I've got the adapter to make it happen, right? And also in the table I've got, apart from the tools, just in case you need to replace some filters, which come here, okay? We don't need those in this video, but just in case, I will put that in the link as well, and some extra orifice, right? Teflon tape. And this key of this tool is just to put a shorter adapter here in the middle. You will see that in a moment. So without further ado, let's start modifying the cannon. Let's go. Alright, so the first point of this video would be just putting some Teflon tape in the bottleneck, right? And also in these threads right here. So this piece comes here, we will see that in a moment, okay? And without taking away the tube, okay, just put it like this. I will see that in a second, okay? This piece comes there. So you see, you can use different Teflon tapes. This one happens to be a 19mm, but otherwise you can use a normal 40mm Teflon tape. Okay, let me thread that. So once we did the quick release from Garage, right? Okay, now it's time to change these rusty Allen bolts. So these are 3mm, okay, Allen, we are about to change it quickly. Alright, so we arrived to the step of removing the connectors. When you're dealing with a 1/4 plug, it is very easy. You just take the right range, okay, and then you unplug it. Now, a quick tip would be that if you are facing this Karcher plastic connector, okay, it could be the possibility that you don't have enough room here to put a wrench. If that's the case, just grab a pliers, okay, don't mark too much the plastic, and make the force here, okay, from here. In this case, I can do it here. I don't see if you can see in the camera, but on the right side there's a 1.1 millimeter against the left side, which is 1.4, I guess. So I just want to show you that these are stainless steel, right? Because they are in stainless, you see, they has no much maintenance to do it. Just clean it a little bit, right? Now on the other hand, you could face a brass connector, not connector, but brass orifice like this one. You see, these ones with time, they get also a little bit rusty, blacked out, okay? So I recommend just to at least have a look at it, and if it's possible, just to update the orifice with stainless steel, okay? Okay, let's clean it a little bit, and then we pass to the next step, will be the adapters, okay? Alright, so we arrive at the point, at the most interesting point, I would say, about this video. So it's about how to adapt a Karcher professional easy lock system, right, like this one. This is the reference, right? These quick connectors, okay, from Karcher, to a 1/4 inch female threads there, okay? So I bought this adapter, Easy Lock, okay, because the Easy Lock from Karcher locks with 360 degrees, right, to a 1/4 inch, right? This is from MJJC, okay, and this comes with a connector, a 1/4 inch to a 1/4 inch males, this long. So I'm about to short it up, okay, with this other one. So I already put some Teflon tape there and Teflon tape there, right? For now, these standard connectors, or the Karcher ones, we leave them aside, okay, as we are going to build for much less money the same bottle of this one from Karcher, right, in a cool way. Okay, so this is the special key you need to torque this short connector. Otherwise, if you don't have that key, you have to stay with the original one, and the Karcher one, which is 18 millimeters. Okay, let's do it. So in the end, this small tool is not needed. You can use a normal wrench, because now we are about to do this part, okay, so the connector from Karcher to the MJJC adapter, okay, and we are making the force from here. Alright, so before I run out of daylight, let me give you the final thoughts about this foam canyon. As you can tell, the results are phenomenal. You see, this quick release from Garage works outstanding, right? First consideration, I would say the height of the new bottle plus the adapter is exactly the same as the old bottle. That means that you can use the same suction tube, you don't need to change that, right? So the results also for the adapter is quite compact, you see, from 1/4 of an inch thread to this outstanding also connector from Karcher. We will be doing some videos about Karcher, the professional lines, soon in this channel, since I've got one, okay? Another consideration is that because this finish is anodized and it's aluminum, do not use any wheel cleaner inside, just only use car shampoo, okay? That's my recommendation. Another thing to add is that here now in 2023, Garage is about to launch a new edition of this quick release for the PF22 foam cannon. I think it's about to be made in stainless steel, so until then, okay, be careful with this one. Now, you see, you can use any other adapter with this type of foam cannons. I would say that if you have any doubts, any problem, let me that in the comments, or you can also send me some pictures with your issues or your comments to info@ebisauto.com. Alright, so by now, this is the video, right? And this Canon PF22.2 is already prepared to fight against the new generation of 2023 foam cannons that we are about to do in a competition in this channel, okay? So until then, guys, see you in the next one. Thank you for watching, and bye!